Everyone online keeps asking the same question. Which AI tool is the best? ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini? But honestly, I think that's the wrong question. Because best for writing poetry, best for coding, and best for making money are three completely different conversations. And on this channel, the only question that really matters is which AI tool helps you generate more income? Because if you're freelancing, building digital products, running a business, or trying to increase your earning power, the answer changes completely. Today, I'm going to break down the strengths, weaknesses, and income generating use cases for all three major AI tools so you know exactly which one to use for which type of work. To understand why this matters, you need to understand the sheer scale of what we're dealing with right now. This isn't a playground, it's a gold rush. By early 2025, ChatGPT skyrocketed to a staggering 400 million weekly active users. Meanwhile, Claude has quietly established itself as the leading enterprise choice, showing massive explosive growth in professional and analytical use cases. Then you have Gemini, Google's powerhouse entry, which boasts incredibly deep, seamless integration right into the Google Workspace ecosystem. With total worldwide AI spending officially projected to surpass $2 trillion dollars in 2026, all three of these tools are serious heavyweight products backed by some of the biggest tech giants on the planet. They are all capable, but they are not created equal when it comes to ROI. So, how do we actually prove which one puts more money in your pocket? Simple. We put them to work. I didn't just look at feature lists. I ran a real world experiment. I took the exact same 5 high income generating freelance tasks and ran them through ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini simultaneously. I didn't give them any special treatment. I used identical prompts, identical context, and identical constraints. To crown a winner, I rated every single output based on three strict metrics: quality of the insight, speed of delivery, and client readiness. If a client wouldn't pay top dollar for it immediately, it didn't pass the test. Here is exactly how the battle played out. Task number one is the ultimate bottleneck for freelancers: writing a high converting freelance proposal for a major content marketing project. If you can't win proposals, you don't eat. I grabbed a real competitive job posting, fed it to all three tools, and asked them to write a winning pitch. ChatGPT came out swinging with the most confident, direct, and aggressive proposal. It cut straight to the chase. Claude took a different approach, producing a highly nuanced consultative pitch. It actually anticipated potential project challenges and offered pre-baked solutions, which, in my experience, clients find way more persuasive. Gemini turned in a solid performance, but the tone felt slightly generic and templated. The verdict: Claude takes the win here for high-ticket clients, with ChatGPT a very close second for sheer confidence. Task 2 is all about outbound sales: writing a cold outreach email targeting local small businesses to sell AI automation services. For cold outreach, your copy needs to be three things: short, punchy, and highly specific. ChatGPT absolutely dominated on efficiency. It was by far the fastest to render, and the output was sharp, punchy, and immediately usable with zero tweaks. Claude turned in a slightly more thoughtful, psychologically structured email, but it required a bit more editing to make it sound natural. Gemini completely missed the mark on brevity, over explaining the technical features rather than focusing on the business benefits. The verdict: it's a split decision. ChatGPT wins for speed and execution, while Claude takes the crown if you want deep psychological quality. Task 3 is where we separate the amateurs from the true high earners, creating a comprehensive market research report on a highly specialized niche industry. This is a deliverable you can easily charge clients 4 figures for, but it requires massive data coherence. This is the exact moment where Claude completely separated itself from the pack. Claude's unique ability to maintain absolute narrative coherence across a massive multi-page document is next level. Its capacity to structure highly complex market information and pull out actionable insights is meaningfully better than the competition. If your freelance business model relies on selling deep dive research, white papers, or strategy reports to corporate clients, Claude isn't just the better tool, it's the only tool. The verdict: Claude wins this round by a massive, undeniable wide margin. Task 4 moves into the world of daily retainer work:
generating high volume social media content. The challenge was to create 20 unique, highly engaging Instagram captions for a premium fitness brand. In this round, the performance gap narrowed significantly. Honestly, all three tools performed comparably well, and you could make money using any of them. ChatGPT was undeniably the fastest to speed out the list. Gemini offered a great advantage if you're trying to export the captions directly into Google Sheets or Docs for a client review. Claude, on the other hand, was the most naturally aligned with the brand's specific tone of voice. The verdict: it's a dead tie. For high volume social media management, the differences are minor. Just use whichever AI fits your current daily workflow best. Task 5 hits right where your traffic lives: optimizing a Fiverr or Upwork profile listing to maximize conversions. I copy pasted my actual live freelance profile text into all three models and told them to completely rewrite it for maximum client appeal and premium positioning. Claude delivered an incredibly strategic rewrite. It didn't just fix the grammar, it actively identified specific positioning gaps in my bio and completely overhauled my core value proposition to target higher budget clients. ChatGPT gave me a very clean, highly polished, and professional version of exactly what I already had, but lacked that deeper strategic edge. Gemini produced a piece of copy that looked clean on the surface, but ultimately felt too generic to stand out in a crowded marketplace. The verdict: Claude takes the crown for strategic positioning. Let's summarize the ultimate income generation matrix so you can blueprint your business strategy. If your freelance business focuses on high value, highly complex deliverables, think deep market research reports, intricate strategic documents, high ticket client proposals, or long form authoritative content, Claude is your undisputed weapon of choice. It simply understands depth better than anything else. However, if your business model revolves around fast, high volume, shorter form tasks like cold email campaigns, daily social media captions, rapid fire client communication, or quick proposals, ChatGPT's lightning speed and incredibly wide capability make it an absolute powerhouse choice for scaling your output. Now, let's not completely count out Google's entry. For business users, agency owners, and corporate freelancers who are already deeply embedded in the Google ecosystem, Gemini has massive, tangible advantages that make it worth a serious look. If your entire business operation runs on Google Drive, Google Docs, Gmail, and Google Sheets, Gemini's ability to pull data directly from your ecosystem and export it seamlessly can save you hours of administrative overhead every single week. In the freelance game, time is money. While its raw creative writing or strategic depth might lag slightly behind Claude in the head to head tests, the workflow efficiency gains Gemini offers can absolutely make the switch worth it for the right business model. So, what is my absolute final recommendation to maximize your revenue? Stop wasting time looking for one single magical winner. The pro move is to stop compromising. My actual data backed recommendation is to invest in and run both ChatGPT Plus and Claude Pro simultaneously. The combined cost of both premium subscriptions is just $40 per month. Let's be completely honest. The income differential between a freelancer who has access to both of these elite tools versus a freelancer who has neither is measured in thousands of dollars of extra revenue per month. This is quite literally the lowest cost, highest return investment you can possibly make in your AI income stack. Treat these tools like employees. Use the right tool for the right specific task, optimize your workflow, and go get that money.